ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம இன்றைக்கி ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் மற்றும் சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் எக்ஸாமுக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் MCQ கிளாஸ் 4 வீடியோ பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், malignant hyperthermia is best treated with option A corticosteroids, option B atropine, option C potassium chloride, option D dantrolene sodium. Answer option D dantrolene sodium. Second question, which is termed as poor man's milk? Option A ragi, option B soya milk, option C wheat, option D rice water. Answer option A ragi. Next, third question, what methods would you use to reduce the pain associated with the IM injection? Option A, use a large bore needle. Option B, insert the needle slowly. Option C, use breathing and relaxation technique. Option D, use the same site that was used previously. Answer option C, use breathing and relaxation technique. Fourth question, which sense was lost at the last moment in a dying client? Option A hearing, option B vision, option C smell, option D taste. Answer option A hearing. Fifth question, the nurse is assessing a client in the fourth stage of labor and notes that the fundus is firm but that bleeding is excessive. Which would be the initial nursing action? Option A, place the client in Trendelenburg position. Option B, massage the fundus. Option C, record the findings. Option D, notify the obstetrician. Answer option D, notify the obstetrician. Sixth question, methyl ergonovin is prescribed for a client to treat postpartum hemorrhage. Before administration of methyl ergometrin, what is the priority assessment? Option A, amount of lochia. Option B, blood pressure. Option C, deep tendon reflex. Option D, uterine tone. Answer option B, blood pressure. Seventh question, how to affect tobacco consuming during pregnancy? Option A, overweight baby. Option B, low birth weight baby. Option C, impotence. Option D, premature labor. Answer option B, low birth weight baby. Eighth question, best time for breast self examination? Option A, during menses. Option B, 7 to 10th days after first days of menses. Option C, 10 days before the menses. Option D, anytime. Answer option B, 7 to 10 days after first days of menses. Ninth question, which vaccine used for the prevention of cervical cancer? Option A, HPV. Option B, hepatitis vaccine. Option C, DPT. Option D, IPV. Answer option A, HPV. 10th question, daily iron requirement for an adult is? Option A, 50 to 100 milligram. Option B, 50 to 100 microgram. Option C, 100 to 150 milligram. Option D, 100 to 150 microgram. Answer option D, 100 to 150 microgram. 11th question, normal blood glucose level in fasting. Option A, 50 to 100 milligram per dl. Option B 60 to 110 milligram per dl. Option C 70 to 110 milligram per dl. Option D 110 to 160 milligram per dl. Answer option C 70 to 110 milligram per dl. Next 12th question. Oliguria means option A high blood glucose level. Option B low blood glucose level. Option C high urinary output. Option D low urinary output. Answer option D low urinary output. 13th question. Mr. X is to have a suprapubic prostatectomy. In this procedure, the gland is approached through the option A ureter, option B bladder, option C urethra, option D perineum. Answer option B bladder. 14th question. Complication of retropubic prostatectomy is option A urinary leakage, option B recurrent obstruction, option C difficult to control hemorrhage, option D incidence of increased hemorrhage. Answer option A urinary leakage. 15th question. All the following are possible outcome of ectopic pregnancy except option A tubal abortion, option B uterine mole, option C rupture of tubal pregnancy, option D tubal mole. Answer option B uterine mole. 16th question. In the following symptoms, which one is not related in the classical triad of symptoms of tubal ectopic pregnancy? Option A vaginal bleeding, option B amenorrhea, option C abdominal pain, option D convulsions. Answer option D convulsions. 17th question. The inflammation of degeneration of liver parenchyma is referred as option A colitis, option B cystitis, option C cirrhosis, option D jaundice. Answer option C cirrhosis. 18th question. Paget's disease involves which bone? Option A skull, option B pelvis, option C vertebrae, option D all of the above. Answer option D all of the above. 19th question. Identify the image. Option A face mask, option B bed cradle, option C oxygen tent, option D oxygen hood. Answer option D oxygen hood. 20th question. Identify the image. Option A medical handpiece, option B defibrillator, option C harmonic synergy, option D harmonic scalpel. Answer option D harmonic scalpel.